We had Gulshan on our show and we were asking him, of course, there's so much like conjecture around how the sets of Sanjay Leela Bhansali are quite like strict. And
it's a strict set.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he can be like, pretty overwhelming as a director, as an experience.
But I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah. There are people who don't like it, but I love it. I actually feel like he understands actors and how can I say it? Like, if I say it, it'll sound like I'm putting down other people. His own personal standards are so high.
Yeah.
And he knows what he's doing. He knows about costumes and किस बॉडी पे क्या चीज़ अच्छी लगेगी, किस कम्प्लेक्शन पे क्या कलर अच्छा लगेगा, बाल कैसे होने चाहिए, अगर रो रही है तो ग्लिस होना चाहिए, काजल कितना फैलना चाहिए, what embroidery, what music, because he knows so much. His personal standards are very high. And at a time like this, I feel like a lot of actors don't work hard. Like if you watch shows sometimes, don't you feel like the stakes could have been higher? कि अरे कोई मर गया but she just gave a cold expression, no tear fell, like those kind of things. So he's very particular. So sometimes I feel like it hurts people if he's like not coddling them. Yeah. With me I like it because the downside of being considered a good actor is that if you go on a set and the director is like, I don't know, newish or a fan of your work, they'll just be like, हाँ आप तो कर लोगे, आपको तो आता है. And then you're like, मुझे कुछ तो दो, give me some direction. Extract the best out of me, yeah. Push me, give me, or just even sometimes it's like, give me any direction. They're like, you read it, nah, you'll do it, yeah, you'll do it, yeah, you'll to do it. And then you're like, yeah, I want to do it, but I don't want to be me in every film. Yeah. So I keep trying to.
But I don't think you've been you in every film.
No, but that sometimes is coming from me कि मैं धक्का मार के I'm doing it.
Whereas you wanted to come from the director.
Yeah, with directors like Mrig, the one who made Fukre, with Sanjay Leela Bhansali, they are more passionate about their job than you are. And that's how it should be. The director always has to be crazy obsessed with the stuff that they're making.
Yeah.
I've worked with a few lazy directors and it really is spirit crushing.
How was your experience on Gangs of Wasseypur?
It was very toxic. Not toxic, but difficult.
Because, and I ask you that because, in many interviews, like Huma said it, that, of course, she meant it more in ki budget constraints itne the ki hum like, we saw our rooms and we were like, ye kaise kamre hai? But Anurag was taking a worse room, so we were like, we can't complain. And Pankaj Tripathi said ki, like, I couldn't understand what was going on in that film, and Nawaz was like, script broad si thi, but we were trying to figure out on the go कि क्या हो रहा था.
Yeah.
So I thought I'll ask you कि would you work on a project like that again, which was just so
I absolutely would. No, chaos is welcome. Everything else is fine. The only thing I feel like where I suffered was I was so young. I didn't know how to conduct myself with such a bunch of dudes. To be honest. That's the only thing. Like the ADs were great, the team was great, even the actors were great. Everything was fine, the director's fine. But sometimes you don't know what to say to like a 50-year-old man. Like, when you're 24, what are you going to say? What conversation can you have if they are going on and on about NSD में 1950 में ऐसा हुआ था? तो देखिए ना, मेरे माँ बाप भी नहीं जन्मे थे तब, तो समझ नहीं आ रहा था. I didn't know how to conduct myself, how to be in such a testosterone heavy world.
Yeah, because I think Huma and you were the only two female.
Yeah, but we had different scenes. Like sometimes, we didn't get to hang out so much.
Yeah.
She was working different hours, I was working different hours. Yeah. And I really had to be in the zone because they were like, आज सुबह आप 22 साल के हो, फिर दोपहर को रात को आपको 45 साल का होना है, फिर कल सुबह 52 के हो, उसके बाद आपको 18 years का होना है. So I was just running in between shots trying to figure out how this character, like, what do I do with the age? You know? My only advice to the people who want to be actors today is really train. Somehow we have this attitude that you want to be an engineer, you'll go to an engineering college. You want to be a lawyer or a journalist, you'll train. But acting को लोग इतना फुद्दू काम समझते हैं, sorry to say.
वो craft को develop नहीं करते.
कुछ नहीं करते. Theater भी नहीं. I guess this is what Nawaz meant when he said सिर्फ writing करने से acting नहीं आती. आप नहीं सिर्फ ऐसे कर सकते. And this is the same as like now I have a little bit of a bone to pick with people who just cast people because they have huge social media following. Because it's, I mean, sure, they can do it. I'm not saying that. And most of them are amazing also and incredibly successful. But not surely will bring you the bums on seats, which is, you know, will bring you the audience. That's number one. And number two, हम लोग झक मार के थिएटर या ये सब करते हैं, क्यों करते हैं? To become better at our craft. So unless someone's willing to put in the hours, I feel like this can be a short road to success. I don't know how much longevity it will give you in your career. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you would say then कि अगर मेहनत करो पर और अपने क्राफ्ट पे काम करो तो हो जाएगा.
मैं तो बिल्कुल 100% I'm testament of that. I've not had to like sleep with any director producer to get ahead. No one will say this openly, but I'm telling you that it's not like those weird situations don't happen that put you in an uncomfortable spot.
Have you been in a situation where you've been asked?
No one asks.
Yeah.
It's just like a weird
subliminal
sort of like
messaging.
Yeah, and women around you will also say कि अरे यार, like I know girls who are like अरे आधे घंटे का काम था पर मुझे फिल्म मिल गई or whatever. So I'm like, it's disgusting.
Yeah.
So I just want to say you don't have to do that. Don't do that to yourself because it's very spirit crushing. You're devaluing yourself.
Yeah.